This is the Samsung 990 Pro 4TB solid-state drive, and it's an absolute powerhouse when it comes to performance and storage. With blazing fast sequential read speeds of up to 7,450 megabytes per second, this drive handles everything from high-end gaming to intense workstation tasks without breaking a sweat. I dropped it into my build using the M.2 PCIe 4.0 slot, and right away, everything felt snappier. Boot times, game loading, large file transfers, it's all lightning fast. What really stands out though is the reliability and thermal control. Samsung's built-in heat management tech keeps things cool and quiet, even during those marathon editing or gaming sessions. And with a massive 4 terabytes of space, I don't have to worry about juggling files anymore. It's one of those upgrades that feels like a true leap forward, and honestly, it's hard to go back once you experience this level of speed. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below, and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.